Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to subtract in Excel. Let's say I have this value, a column of these data where I need to find the value of product B through these two columns. All of the formulas in Excel starts with equals to, and just type it and select the cell you want to be subtracted from, then a minus, then the other value. Now if you press enter, you will find the difference. If you drag it, you'll find the subtracted value to the other column. So now let's say we have some other value. So let's say the value is displayed as negative. Now what you need to do is go to the cell you want to display your difference and click on type equals to, then sum with a parenthesis. Select both of these numbers simultaneously with a comma, and you'll find the difference. Now you just need to drag it and you will find the difference. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.